Hey folks, welcome to Opal's NZ. Today we're going to finish cutting this piece. Thanks for all your awesome comments and suggestions. I've decided to go with a slice off the back and slice that end off because that end has a sand inclusion. You can see that shadowy one there, and then you can see the smaller one just by that black pen dot there where that chip is. So there's the bigger one which is right in the center, and then that smaller one right there. Okay, so I've drawn the lines on there. So that'll be the main stone sitting there. You can see that little black line there, that's a sand inclusion that I was talking about. And it goes sort of on an angle into the stone that way, probably about 1 millimeter. So yeah, let's get slicing. Okay, I've tried to get you dead in line with the blade so you can see what I see. But first we'll take this end piece off. Yeah, a little bit of colour, not wasted. Now for the hard bit. Whoops. Missed my mark a little bit. It's alright. Yeah, I missed my mark a little bit, but not too bad. It's a bit of a bummer. Lost some weight off my main stone. But it is what it is now. Gives us a bigger secondary stone. So there we go. Sliced and diced. I'll tell you what, the colour still looks bloody awesome. It's taken it right through that sand. Perfect. Wow, look at that. Okay, so these are our slices. That's our main piece. And that is, okay, that's 5.27. And the back slice, just under 3, 2.94. And then our little slice is 0.5 as it is. So if I grind that into a little drop, and there we have it. All right, so let's get to shaping. Need to fill up my water. Start off with this piece here. And I think I will slice this. It gets quite thin at this end, and I better salvage a little stone off of this end here. There you go. sand on that face there. Right, it's pretty much out. I'll leave the rest for the dopstick. Now this little piece. Very pretty little drop. And the other little bit, which I just sliced off and cut my finger. Yeah, I think I'll make these into a pair. Lose a little bit off that one, but it's alright. Last piece. Lends itself towards a cushion cut, but that sand inclusion is the problem. Really need to get that sand out. Keep grinding it and then checking it under the magnifying glass. Yeah, it's almost out. Still a fraction of it in there. So, could go for a drop. Yeah, let's go for a nice drop shape. Excellent. Do the rest on the dopstick. Cool. Alright, just chuck them on the scale, see what they weigh. 7.15. So I've lost a couple of carats in the slicing and shaping phase, and we'll lose a little bit more. Not a great drop shape though. Yeah, I'll probably come in a little bit at the top, just make it a little bit more of a point. So here we have it, folks. 4 pieces, all finished. I polished the back of the 2 big pieces, and wow, just wow, stunning. So I haven't weighed them yet, so we can do that now. Yeah, so let's do that. So I'll weigh the cushion first. Look at that colour. So that is 0.93 of a carat, so just under a carat. Yeah, the reason being there was sand along one side, so it really shrunk a bit on the dopstick. But it's a perfectly clean gem now. Nice cut, nicely, easily settable stone. And look at the back. Like, it's almost better than the front. Pattern wise, this chaff, flagstone and chaff, and on the front it's flagstone and chaff as well. I mean, stunning. I'm glad I sliced that off the back. Yeah, so pretty much 0.9 of a carat there, so best part of a carat for that guy. And then this one is 3.54 carats. So that came down in weight quite a bit as well. That was 4, just over 4 on the dopstick. So yeah, just took it in. I just wanted a more pleasing shape up the top here, and had to even the dome out a little bit. It was a little bit uneven. So that's 3.5 carats there of just stunning crystal. And the back on this is, I mean, amazing. Almost better than the front as well. But there's chaff, there's flagstone, and there's a bit of floral on the front. Yeah, flagstone, floral, and chaff, I would say that. And a brightness of, I don't know, it's definitely a 4, maybe 4.5. Yeah. Let me know what you think about the brightness. Is it a B4? A B4? Oh, B3. It's got to be brighter than a B3. So I turn the light off, and that's with the light off. There is a little bit of diffused light from the window there, you can see. Yeah, anyway, not really sure how to do proper low light stuff, but let's put that back on. Look at the back on it, and it's got some depth to it. Seems to be more obvious on the back. You can really see into the stone. So I'm going to call that a crystal. It's a slight haze from this side, and you can see the thinner cushion cut. Slight haze on that as well, but that's a crystal. I'm calling it a crystal. So yeah. Oh, and the little guys are 0.59 carats combined. So each one is just under 0.3. So around about half a carat combined, so they're quite small. Small but nice. There are some inclusions. I didn't polish the backs of these. So yeah, there is an inclusion in that one, but you can't see it, and there's a bit of sand just there on that one. I tried taking it out, but it was just, yeah, it's just not big enough, so I left it in. But they're quite nice too. I mean, waste not, want not, they could have just been ground away, but I mean, that'd make a nice pair of earrings, I think. Quite flashy. So yeah, super stoked with that. So yeah, let me know which one you like the best. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Hit like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know which one you like the most, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.